The Philips Avent Essential Baby Food Maker helps mums to provide the best nutrition for babies to grow healthily. Unique steam technology enables steam to circulate upwards from the bottom, making sure the food is evenly cooked. Powerful blending ensures food is fully blended and smooth enough for babies to eat at an early weaning stage. You can also make chunkier food for later weaning stages as baby grows. The Smart Jar lid design prevents food from accidentally getting into the water tank and makes transition from steaming to blending in fewer steps. A large water tank opening design makes it easy to clean and refill, allowing you to cook with clean steam every time. Philips Avent Essential Baby Food Maker. Simple steps for healthy baby meals. Innovation and you. Philips.